Digital marketing has reached the end of the third-party cookie era. Tightening privacy regulations and consumer fatigue have rendered historical identity graphs unreliable. Building a strategy on stale user profiles is now a decaying model. This creates the cold start problem. When an anonymous user arrives, legacy personalization systems have no data to process and fail on the first page view. The new competitive edge requires a shift toward analyzing immediate user actions rather than relying on historical identity mapping. Modern personalization has moved from explicit targeting toward invisible, real-time friction reduction. Invisible personalization optimizes the interface based on live microbehaviors rather than static demographic segments. This includes tracking scroll velocity, navigational hesitation, and dwell time on UI elements. These detections occur at the millisecond scale, allowing the UX to adapt entirely underneath the user's conscious awareness. However, this raises a mathematical challenge. Without a known identity, how can an algorithm prove which anonymous behaviors actually predict a purchase? Recent academic research using explainable machine learning provides the empirical key to identifying these behavioral signals. Researchers analyzed anonymous session logs, specifically focused on the high intent window after a user adds a product to the cart. These pie charts establish the baseline abandonment rates for the studied datasets, where 81 and 67. This accuracy confirms that dynamic, within-session behaviors contain highly reliable signals of human intent. Because machine learning models often operate as black boxes, researchers must use specialized tools to extract what the algorithm actually learned. They used SHAP values, Shapley additive explanations, to mathematically isolate the importance of individual behavioral features. This chart shows the SHAP feature importance for both datasets, ranking the variables the model used to make its predictions. The algorithm identified historical loyalty, the number of previous purchases, as the top overall predictor. Solving the cold start problem requires shifting focus upward to dynamic, within-session features for anonymous users. In dataset 2, the cat changes feature reached a 0.51 SHAP value, indicating major influence. Rapidly shifting between completely different product categories during a single browsing session strongly signals exploration and a deep sense of uncertainty in the user psychology. To the optimized algorithm, a category shift acts as a measurable predictor of cart abandonment. The SHAP analysis also highlights the impact of price exposures during the session. These histograms show the distribution of product prices viewed across both datasets. The distributions are heavily right-skewed, showing that lower-priced items dominate the majority of user views. The model specifically tracked the minimum and maximum price points a user was exposed to before reaching the cart. Returning to the SHAP data, we see that these price boundaries strongly influence the predictions for dataset 2. The algorithm prioritizes price volatility, the spread between the cheapest and most expensive items viewed, as a primary indicator of user hesitation. This intra-session price variability acts as a behavioral stress test, predicting abandonment long before the hesitant user ever reaches the final checkout stage. Bridging this research into engineering requires a system that can process these micro-behaviors in real time. Traditional personalization engines fail here because they cannot react quickly enough to the live physics of a session. The necessary architecture is the intent engine, where raw behavioral data is split into two distinct routing paths. The first path routes into a customer data platform, which captures the raw events like category shifts and price views. The second path routes to a vector database, which stores the semantic embeddings, the actual contextual meaning of the user's intent. True invisible personalization requires both the timeline of events and their mathematical meaning to work in tandem. The intent engine feeds the synchronized data from the CDP and VectorDB directly into a large language model. The LLM triggers generative UI, a framework that assembles interface components on demand. This generation happens at the network edge to eliminate latency, reacting to the user in milliseconds. If an anonymous user triggers a high SHAP value behavior, like rapid category switching or high price volatility, the engine detects an impending abandonment. The system generates a simplified checkout flow or injects a price match guarantee instantly to reduce that specific user's friction. These generated interfaces dissolve immediately after the session, leaving no static rules or hard-coded pages behind. The future of e-commerce depends on building infrastructure fluid enough to adapt invisibly to a user's immediate behavior.